journey by boat. Please, step up and in. Watch your step. Violet, do not lick the boat. You'll only make the ship sticky.
Excuse me, Mr. Wonka? Oh, I just love your hat. It really sets off your eyes, but of course you have great taste. You know, I would simply adore a pink candy boat and maybe one of those sweet little Oompa Loompas. Brown noser. Mr. Wonka, did you hear what I just said? I said I want a pink candy boat and an Oompa Loompa.
What she wants is a good kick in the pants.
Name your price, Wonka.
A bad parent says what?
What?
Exactly.
Where are you taking us?
Round the world and home again. That's sailor's way. There's no earthly way of knowing which direction we are going. Is it raining? Is it snowing? Is a hurricane blowing? Yes, the danger must be growing. For the rowers keep on rowing, and they're certainly not showing any signs that they are going.
Oh no! This is going too far! Stop the boat!
Very well then, stop the boat. And here we are.
Daddy? I do not want to look like this.
And welcome to the inventing room. This is the most important room in my entire factory. My most secret inventions are just cooking and simmering in here. You wanna see what it does?
Yes!
Voila! The everlasting goomy goopstopin.
It looks like gum.
That's because it is gum.
Gum?
The most dazzling gum in the world. It's an entire gourmet meal without any of those nasty calories.
Gum.
Unfortunately, it's not perfected yet, so we mustn't chew it.
That gum is so mine. It's delicious. It really tastes like pea soup.
Grandma, why isn't she listening to Mr. Wong?
It's because she's a nitwit, Charlie. A nitwit.
And here comes the roast beef. Fantastic. So tender and juicy.
About the blueberry ice cream.
I bet it's to die for.
That's what I'm worried about. The dye.
Here comes the ice cream. You're right, Wonka. It is to die for. Blueberry ice cream. You're a genius. Violet, stop chewing on this instant. Violet? Violet! You're burning Violet, Violet!
Happens every time. Quick, move her over there. And protect yourself. What happens next may get messy. Let's continue our tour that way.